Hi, everyone. My name is Mandy, and I am a writer and a teacher. And I'm going to share today a little bit about an app called Google Keep that I discovered actually just last fall that I use often. It's really helpful. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is download the app on your phone. So, get your phone out and do that. It's really the power of this program is that you can take notes on it and then eventually put it onto your desktop or on your computer, your laptop, which I'll show you in a moment. So, once you get the app, you're going to want to get all signed up, log in. And then once you are actually in the app, the reason I love it so much is because of these bottom tools. Basically, it's an advanced note taking device. You can make checklists, you can draw pictures, you can add images. But what I find it most useful for is this recording function. A lot of times, as I'm walking, I get like a really creative inspiration or idea, or maybe I'm driving, so I don't have the chance to like write down my thoughts. And I'm always afraid I'm going to lose my ideas, especially when I'm working on my novel right now. And so all I got to do is take out Google Keep, open the app, click this button. It's so simple. Once I click on it, it's going to say speak now, and I just talk into it. It records my voice. And then what's really neat is not only does it record it, but it also transcribes it. So here's an example of a note that I took just on the fly real quick. And there's other features too. You can pin it, you can organize by different categories, you can get really involved. But really, what I find it most useful for is just quickly recording your voice. And then what's really neat is it connects to Google Docs, which I use a lot for writing. So it's a great time saver. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you what all of this looks like once you have made notes on the app on your phone. You're going to eventually then go to your Google account. And so I'm up here on mine, and you'll notice there's all these different options that Google Suites automatically has. And so everyone has Keep, it's free. So I've already opened it. And here are some of the different tabs that I have. I like to take notes on books that I'm enjoying too and take screenshots of pages from it, or just like observing what I really like about it. I often like to read like a writer. But here's that note that I just showed you earlier that I took on my phone. It's recording of my voice. I could click play, and then it'll play it. I can do all kinds of stuff. I can add a title. And then here it is. Then what's really, really neat, if you feel like you like the note you took, you want to transfer to somewhere else, you can click more and make a copy or copy it to Google Docs directly, which I'll do that right now. And it has made a copy. And so now when I go to open the doc, there it is. And now it is a document that I can change the title to whatever I want. I can update the grammar and all of that, but it's all there. It was very simple to use. It's a way to bounce between inspiration striking and making sure it gets eventually put into your sections of writing. So I use it as a writer, super helpful as a teacher as well, because as teachers, we often get creative ideas on the fly as well. Or if you're just a person who's busy and wants to be able to keep track of all those things that are running through your mind all the time. So I highly recommend it. And if you found today's quick lesson helpful, I recommend that you follow me on Teachers Lounge. That is my weekly newsletter on Substack. I mostly write, but I also am going to start sharing informational videos to help you get more efficient in keeping track of what you're writing, what you're working on. And so I thank you for listening, and I hope this was really helpful.